Welcome to Clifton Hill. Guys, let's go. I'm gonna be player 2. Keep it there. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What seats do you want?
Welcome to the XD Ride View. For your safety.
So it's a 40 vision. 40 vision.
You gotta put your glasses on. Wait.
I got it. Stick a flag. Hooray, stick a flag. Hooray, stick a flag. Hi, guess what? A zombie can hit. Thank you. Oh wow, that's Thank you. You know we're outside. We're outside but inside at the same time. We're outside and inside at the same time. That's the score. What did you do? We're tied. Hey, Mom. Make sure to get past every person you see.
We're here at the Niagara Speedway. We're getting ready to go on the race. We're doing one parent, one child, one parent, one child. Let's get to it.
Got it? Go ahead. After you. Okay.
Okay.
Ouch.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we're on our last ride of the evening.
And we're going to see this waterfall.
We're going to see the waterfall?
Let's see, it's like Niagara.
Niagara.
Skywheel.
Skywheel.
It's a skywheel.
No, it's a monster truck. Skywheel.
Who's scared? Who's scared? I'm shaking in my boots. See it right there?
The waterfall is over there. I know that the waterfall is over there.
We're going to see if we
I know,
can
that's
see
a
it.
volcano. Look at that volcano, though.
Wow.
Excited.
You can go inside of it? I'm taking a
That's
picture.
a lot of ball.
Wow. So it's little as a rainbow at night. Wow.
And then there's another can very see New York.
That's how high up we are. Are we at the top?
I see it. In the right.
Yep, we're at the top now.
In the right. In the top of Tokyo Tower. Yeah. Nice. Going back up. I'm going back up.
Going up.
Kai, look behind you.
So it seems we have completed.
A great day.
Yeah. It was a pretty nice day. Great weather. Lots of excitement for the boys.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. No.
What?
You said like and subscribe and share.
Okay.
Like,
A lot of
subscribe,
people
and
get.
share.
Well, I know one thing and that's important. We need a toilet.
Skibbity toilet. All right, you guys, we have had a great time, and we're thinking about coming back. But like the boys said, please like, comment, share,
Subscribe.
and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.